The Astellas Institute for Regenerative Medicine, located in Westborough, Massachusetts, is a comprehensive state-of-the-art research and manufacturing site. Inside this impressive new facility, our world-class scientists work to advance regenerative medicine therapies for patients. To explain what makes our new home so unique, let's hear from some of our employees.
The new facility is 260,000 square feet and is designed to promote collaboration and sharing of knowledge from development through production. The building allows for 24/7 access for flexibility and efficiency in our research and manufacturing operations. We also considered employee security and comfort by providing many on-site amenities such as a cafeteria, fitness room, and support spaces.
Our R&D space features an expansive open floor plan that promotes collaboration, creativity, and knowledge sharing among our researchers. 12 cell culture suites and specialized procedure and airlock rooms enable us to fully characterize cells and test engineering strategies, while our IT infrastructure facilitates the bioinformatics approach to our workflow. This allows us to develop new methods for the creation and enhancement of cells for greater therapeutic utility.
Technical operations provides innovation to bridge cellular therapeutic processes from concept to production. We develop and evaluate drug substance and drug product manufacturing processes and assays for cell therapies utilizing semi-automated cell culture systems and novel analytical methods.
Our GMP facility includes 10 state-of-the-art clean rooms, each equipped with a dedicated air handler and integrated QC laboratories. We are a multi-product facility with the unique ability to manufacture both clinical and commercial drug substances and drug products in an aseptic environment to effectively serve our patients with unmet medical needs.
The Astellas Institute for Regenerative Medicine enables our team to pursue the broadest potentials of regenerative medicine. As a result of our work here, we will bring valuable outcomes to patients for many years to come.